Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, WebTerome. Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most in-demand skills of the 21st century, coding. If you're looking to learn how to code and start a new career in tech, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be showing you the step-by-step process of how to get started with coding in 2023, so stay tuned. Identify your goals and choose a language to learn. To identify your goals and choose a language to learn in 2023, you should follow these steps. Determine your end goal. What do you want to accomplish with your coding skills? Do you want to build websites, create mobile apps, or develop software? Knowing what you want to achieve will help you determine which language you should learn. Research the market. Look at the current trends in the tech industry and find out which languages are in high demand. You can also ask friends, family, or colleagues who work in the tech industry for their opinions. Consider your strengths. What are your existing skills and interests? If you have a background in math or science, you might be well suited to learning a language like Python. If you have a background in design, you might be more interested in learning HTML and CSS. Try out different languages. Before committing to a particular language, try out a few different ones to see which one you like best. You can take online courses, watch tutorials, or try writing simple programs to get a feel for each language. Choose a language. Once you've tried out a few different languages, choose the one that best fits your goals, strengths, and interests. Don't be afraid to change your mind and switch languages later on if you find that another one is a better fit for you. By following these steps, you can identify your goals, research the market, consider your strengths, try out different languages, and choose the one that is right for you in 2023. B. Find resources to learn. There are many resources available for learning to code in 2023. Here are some popular options. Online courses. Websites like Codecademy, Udemy, Coursera, and edX offer comprehensive online courses in a variety of programming languages. Video tutorials. Sites like YouTube and Vimeo have a wealth of video tutorials on coding, many of which are free. Books and ebooks. There are many books available that teach coding, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. You can find books on Amazon, at your local library, or at a bookstore. Community colleges and boot camps. Community colleges and boot camps often offer in-person coding classes. This is a great option if you prefer hands-on, interactive learning. Local user groups. Many cities have local user groups for coders. These groups often host events, workshops, and meetups that can be a great resource for learning and connecting with other coders. Practice projects. Building your own projects is a great way to learn and practice your coding skills. Find inspiration for projects online, or come up with your own ideas. These are just a few of the many resources available for learning to code in 2023. Choose the resources that best fit your learning style and goals, and don't be afraid to try out different options to see what works best for you. C. Start with the basics. Before diving into complex projects, it's important to start with the basics. Learn the syntax and structure of your chosen language, and practice writing simple programs to get a feel for how the language works. D. Practice, practice, practice. You would have definitely heard about the line, "Practice makes a man perfect." The key to becoming a successful coder is practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Try to work on small projects on your own and gradually increase the complexity as you gain more confidence. A. Join a community. Joining a community of other coders can be incredibly beneficial. You'll be able to ask questions, get feedback, and share your own experiences with others. Some popular online communities include Stack Overflow, GitHub, and Reddit. F. Keep learning. Coding is a constantly evolving field, and it's important to keep up with the latest developments and technologies. Make a habit of reading industry blogs, attending webinars and conferences, and taking online courses to stay ahead of the curve. And that's it for today. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive guide to learning to code in 2023. Remember, the key to success is dedication, practice, and a willingness to learn. Good luck on your coding journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or feedback, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.